Here's one of the finest, most capable third row seat SUVs that money can buy. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2024 Nissan Pathfinder SL. 3.5 liter V6, traditional 9-speed automatic transmission. This thing is super nice, loaded up, and has low miles. Around back, rear park assist sensors, tow hitch, lots of cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. 18-inch alloy wheels with Toyo open country tires. Here's the best part. 3 across in the second row, plus 3 more in the third row, gives you an incredible total of 8 passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls, rear USB ports, even has rear sunshades. It's pearl white with charcoal leather interior, factory roof rack with optional crossbars, tinted windows, color keyed door handles, color keyed mirror caps, LED daytime running lights, LED headlights, front park assist. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Leather bucket seats, dual power seats, embroidered floor mats, illuminated kick plates, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot warning located in your rear view mirror. That also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Power lift gate controls, automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, in the wheel, paddle shifters, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 16,000 well cared for, 1 owner miles. Push button start, touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera with that really nice around view monitor. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, even has a heated steering wheel. 12-volt outlet, inductive wireless cell phone charging, more USB ports, console shifter, electronic parking brake, keyless entry key fob including hatch release, remote start, factory owner's manual, original window sticker, Carfax vehicle history report, and universal garage door opener located in your auto dimming rearview mirror. If you'd like to know more about this 2024 Nissan Pathfinder SL, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.